Hello! Today we will learn how to build a custom Google Analytics reporting dashboard in Stackby. Here's a quick way to do it. First of all, click on the APIs, connect to your Google Analytics account. Here we have already connected to the account, but let us see how to do it. Click on Add an API key, log into Google. It will ask to authorize access. Once we are done, we will name the connection and save. We have already named it Google Analytics API Key. Go back to the dashboard. Here we have two different stacks. One of them is the Google Analytics reporting stack. Click on it. Now we need to view the IDs from the Google Analytics account. In the Analytics account, click on Admin. Within Admin, click on View Settings. It will bring in the View ID of the account. Copy this View ID and paste it here. We need the View IDs along with the start and the end dates of the queries. For the sake of simplicity, we will have it here in a monthly format. Now connect this column to an API. Call it Users API. Connect it to the Google Analytics account. Enter the Analytics API key. Select the API function Get Users by View ID. Select the ID column in reference, in this case the name column. Add the start date and the end date for reference. Hit Apply. This will pull in the required information right into the account. If we click on the data, it will give us all the different types of matrices that we require. Click on GA Users, New Users, percentage of new sessions in that particular month. Create these three columns. This will automatically bring in the information. Same way we can get the website sessions and the page views. Once again, connect to the Google Analytics API, select the service, get sessions by View ID, and give the reference columns. Call it the Sessions API, hit Apply. We will automatically get the sessions details as well. Click on Data and bring in the common matrices which are typically required for a session, for instance, bounces, bounce rates, session durations, hits, and so on. In this case, we will have sessions, bounces, bounce rates, average session duration. Create these four columns. This automatically brings in the information about sessions. Same way it could be done for traffic and page views. Now let us see how we can combine these matches into a single dashboard. So we had created two stacks earlier. One of them was Google Analytics Reporting Stack. The second one is Google Analytics Reporting Dashboard. Click on the Google Analytics Reporting Dashboard. We have four different functions available in Stackby for Google Analytics. Users, which brings top users, new users coming to the website between two dates. Traffic, which brings the organic search traffic to the page. Page views, which brings the top most common page metrics. And sessions, which will bring the top most common session matrix of the particular page. In this case, we have already created one table in the first view called the Reporting Controls. What we have done is bring in the View IDs, enter the start dates and the end dates, and have connected the APIs, the Users API, the Traffic APIs, Page View API, and Sessions API. Refresh the data to bring in the latest information. We have created separate views for each of the matrices. Separate views for users and traffic, sessions, and page views. If we click on users and traffics, we will see specifically the matrix of users and traffic, and all other columns are hidden. Click on the sessions for details related to sessions, the hits, the sessions, the bounces, bounce rates, etc. Same way we can get the information related to the page views as well. The unique page views, the inferences, exits, exit rates, average time on page, etc. We can also create a Kanban view where we can see all of this data in the form of monthly reporting cards. Amazing, isn't it? Here you can see how your website is performing in the monthly card format. And we can customize these cards to show various different things that we require. For instance, if we want to see the page views as well, we can add page views and it will appear in the cards. So we can compare month-wise by using the Kanban feature. This is how we can create a simplified custom Google Analytics reporting dashboard using Stackby. We have also given a link in description. All you need to do is copy the template, connect to your Google Analytics account, get your View IDs and build the real-time reports. Set up once and that's it. No need to manually update the information in your spreadsheets anymore. Save hours each week. Go to stackby.com and build your custom Google Analytics reporting dashboard in less than 5 minutes. Try it out for free today.